Hey guys, how you doing? So I'm gonna do a video guys today that I have never seen anybody talking about that, and my video today is gonna be #1 skincare tip that never anybody talks. I don't know how to start everything, but I don't have any script, but I woke up today this morning and I'm like, I have 60,000 people following me here on YouTube. I have 10,000 on Instagram, and I'm always talking about how you should take care of your skin, how should you use derma, how you should use serums, creams, how you should sleep, basically telling how to do everything. But the main point about your skin, about your well-being, it's not actually skincare products. It's not actually the serum or lipstick or something that is going to change your skin, guys. I want to say that the the most important tip for your skincare, it's balance in your life. Now, how you're going to do, how you're going to achieve, how you're going to find yourself, how you're going to find the balance in your life, I don't know. This is up to you. But today I don't have makeup. I wanted to film this video without makeup to showing you guys that I am confident with my skin. I am confident with all my imperfections. I am confident with myself, who I am today. It's not about how my skin looks. It's not about how my hair looks. It's not about how fit I am or what color my hair or what color my eyes. How do I look does not impact how I feel. How I feel is the most important thing in my life. I will tell you guys how I found that peace, how I found that balance in my life. It's not by using amazing skincare. It's not by using derma rollers. It's not by using natural, beautiful, amazing, expensive, not expensive skincare products. It's not about that. It's completely different that everybody's doing in beauty community. Now, like a year ago, I started do not wear makeup, like only sometimes. Guys, if you scroll down, if you're for a while with me on my channel, you probably noticed that lately I'm not wearing that much makeup. Like more with the years, I'm wearing less and less and less makeup. I don't need that much heavy makeup to be happy, to feel good. You might look good, but you don't feel good. It is better to find the root cause why you're not feeling good and treat that root cause, not applying makeup. I'm just giving as an example makeup, not applying makeup as like a putting band-aid on your wound and forgetting the wound that you have. If you feel not confident, insecure about your skin, you have to find reason why. And mostly the reason about why you're not feeling secure in your life is something is wrong in your life. Something is not on the right track that is supposed to be. Now guys, I'm gonna tell you how I found that track, how I found the balance. It started last year. I went through a very, very painful divorce. I went through a lot. Emotions coming back. Let me calm down. Last year, it was my worst year of my whole life. Now, probably if you listen to me first time, you hear that I have accent. I am immigrant from Europe over here in United States. I live almost more than 5 years, almost 6 years. I was married. One day, it's just terrible things happen. I don't want to drop any crap on my ex-husband. I have a respect, but it's just like it was really, 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 really bad. I forgave him, but I will never forget. And one day last year, 2017, it was a moment. There was a day in my life when I had no place to live. I had no husband. My status in United States was a little bit shaky. I had no money. I had no family. I had no friends. I was like this, okay, this is the rock bottom of my life where I have nothing to do, I have nowhere to go, I have nobody to call to, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. And I started to be sick. I had the surgery. If you remember, if you followed me last year, I have almost diagnosed with endometriosis, but it wasn't. I had surgery, everything, all the bad stuff from my uterus was removed. But at that time, my life was shaky, really, really shaky. So I was like, all right, Jen, either you're gonna be like this miserable for the rest of your life, or you have to step up and start building your life from the scratch, basically from really scratch. If you're not immigrant in some country, you might not understand, but trust me, in a different country with different language, different culture, different people, no friends, no family, is really hard. It's so freaking hard, like crazy. So I decided, I still have a couple of thousands, you know, in my credit card that I was able to use, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna open company, and if this company fails, I'm just going to pack my suitcase. Nobody cares. I'm not gonna be able to pay these credit cards. I'm just gonna leave and I will never come back to this country. So who the heck cares what's gonna happen to these credit cards? So you know what, guys, I opened company. I started doing skincare line. I celebrated since I launched. I opened company in June, I believe, but launch website and everything was set up for selling was in October. So last week, actually, I celebrated 1 year of Jean Amber Beauty LLC anniversary since I launched that beauty brand, and can't complain. Today it's very successful. I am so thrilled, I'm so happy where I am today. I'm so thankful to universe that brought me actually that bad, shitty, vulnerable, that crazy, shitty experience in my life where I had to lift myself up. Nobody helped me, nobody, just me, nobody helped me. I got that strength and I lift myself to that point where I am today. And it's not about money that my company is successful, it's not about finances, it's about how I feel, how I'm proud of myself, how I went through all this shit. Life brought me basically rocks in my life, but you know what, I smashed these rocks, I made the road from these rocks in my life, and this is where I am today, and this is just the beginning of my life. I am so positive, I'm so optimistic, I'm so thrilled with happiness, I'm so happy with this beautiful life. I live here in Miami where I'm like, I have never lived in a more beautiful place than I am. I am today in such a peace, in such a balance. Even though I have issues, I have a lot of health issues, which is consequence from last year. I have a thyroid issues, I'm constantly in the mood, not in the mood, happy, not happy, mood swing, tired, not tired, active, not active. Like, I still can't ignore this. This is not gonna change my life. This is not like deadly disease. It's serious. I always have to go to the doctors like almost every week, but that doesn't concern me. Most important, I feel happy, I feel balance in my life. I feel my head is happy. I never wear makeup. Basically 99% of the days when I don't film, I never wear makeup, ever, never. I don't need. I feel pretty, I feel secure, even though I have pimples, I have red spots right now, I have hyperpigmentation, maybe my brows not even. I don't care that. I am who I am me. I started actually reading books before I launched my business. This was my first book, guys. Books changed my life. I'm reading so many books this year. Maybe I read 15 books, and in English to read books is really hard. My native language is Lithuanian. I speak 4 languages, and to read in English, of course, sometimes I have to Google and everything. I have accent. Many people on YouTube criticize my accent, criticize the way I look, criticize my eye color, criticize me. I don't give a damn shit. Like, seriously, I am proud of myself. I am bilingual. I am a person that moved here in the United States alone. I am still basically alone. I have a person next to me who loves me, and I love him, and I'm so happy that I have an amazing person next to me who can help me go through life together. But this was the book that helped me kind of set my goal to open my business. Damon John is from Shark Tank, guys, if you know show. Power of Broke. This book changed my thinking. After that, I had a bunch of books over here, you guys, just a couple of books. You see, I'm gonna link down below under this video in the description box all the books that I recommend to you to motivate, to lift yourself, to find that balance, to find maybe what you want to do in your life, maybe how you have to achieve that peace of mind. I don't know, guys, how you're going to do. I'm just trying to say how I achieve the peace of mind, the balance in my life, how I feel good today, how I want my subscribers, my viewers to feel good. I always put so much motivation on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow, my Instagram is JinAmberX. I will post all the links, how to, something that might gonna help you to find a peace of mind, to feel secure, positive, happy, and find that maybe little niche in your life where you can do something. Maybe you're gonna do just like some charity work. I just feel so good. I just feel like I am a new person, that I was screwed a lot in my life, but now I'm a strong woman, I'm a powerful woman. I am this woman that didn't give up, achieve my goals. This is one of my goals. There's a lot of goals in my life, to do charities, to go to Africa, to help people, to make this world a better place from my point of view. If you want to make this world a better place, you have to start to make first yourself better person. You only have to compare yourself to one person, to the person that you were yesterday, and you always want to be tomorrow better person that you were today. Now I'm reading another book which is really important. I highly recommend to any woman to read this book. It's so important about the hormones, what's happening. It's crazy. Acne, everything, wherever you have on the face, even fine lines, hormones, hormone imbalance actually can age you. It actually the main reason you're getting premature aging because of hormones. So this book is amazing. How you can control your life by controlling your mind, by controlling your soul, by controlling your mindset. You can change all your life. You can do everything. I am filming YouTube videos. I have to edit videos. I edit thumbnails. I think what I'm going to edit, I have a skincare brand. I'm launching new products like basically every 2 months. I do so much research about the tools, about the skincare ingredients. I'm launching very soon vitamin C cream. It's just like dealing with the labs, dealing with the China, dealing skincare labs that I have here in the United States. In conclusion, my tip for the skincare is just find a balance, find a peace of mind, unique for you. What applies to me, it might not gonna apply to you, but I just wanna say, like, fix your soul, fix your mindset, fix the way you feel. It's way more important what you apply on your skin. I know SPF necessary, I know retinol is necessary, I know good skincare is necessary, yes, but it's not gonna be life-changing if you're still gonna feel like shit inside and you're gonna have beautiful skin. You want to feel good. Why sometimes, I'm not saying that it's healthy, why sometimes you see like a little bit chubby person, but it's funny, jumping, happy, everything is fine, beautiful, life is beautiful, and sometimes you look at the girl, the most perfect girl, with a lot of plastic surgeries, nice butt, nice boobs, perfect skin, no wrinkles, no nothing, but she looks in that, I don't know, like a frame, like you look into her eyes and you see she doesn't look happy, she doesn't look like she is enjoying this life. So it's just like, sometimes I'm checking Instagram, it's like everybody looks like going to the same plastic surgeon, everybody looks like the same now, everybody try to be like a one person. Like there is this like a phrase that I like, they laugh at me because I'm different, but I laugh at them because they all the same, everybody the same. It's just, guys, don't be afraid to be unique. Don't be afraid to show your silliness, your craziness, your being yourself. Don't be afraid to Tell people what you think. Don't be afraid. Be yourself. Don't be afraid. Stand for yourself. Be confident. Don't be afraid to get rid of the people in your life that you love. I did get rid of people in my life that I love. I got rid of one person that I love a lot. I am not afraid of that, because you know why? I am me. I know what I stand for. I know what values I have. I know what I like in my life, and I know what I don't like in my life. And if I know, even though that person that I love and that I am attached to, it's not the right person to have in my life, if this person brings negativity in my life, I don't need these people. Today, I only have 2 friends. I want to live my life to the fullest. I want to enjoy my life. I want to be happy. I want to feel that crazy, amazing, beautiful balance where I feel empowered when I look at everything and I'm enjoying. Like yesterday, I was riding bike here in Miami, and I was filming and seeing how beautiful, how nice these houses are, how I'm like excited to live here in Miami, like how lucky I am to be here, how lucky that life gave me the opportunity to come here to this city and live here and enjoy. And some of my subscribers, I'm gonna try to find and try to read for you guys what she said actually. Adele Jones, she said, I just love the way you find so much joy in everything you do. The rolling makes you have pretty skin, but your joyful spirit makes you purely beautiful. Adele, thank you so much. This is her message. If you guys see, it's just like these messages from my followers, from my subscribers, my clients, is just making me feel so good. I even have goosebumps right now, guys. I am so happy, so full of joy in this life. I wish you guys all the best. I wish you to find your passion. I wish you to find your balance, your way how to feel confident. Don't be afraid to go out bare naked skin. Don't be afraid, smile. Don't be afraid, be stupid. Do stupid things in your life. Enjoy life. You live this beautiful world. You're not a bus, you're not a plant, you're not a light, you're not a camera, you're not a piece of box. You are a human being that God gave you this opportunity to live and enjoy this beautiful life. So live this life to the fullest. That's it, guys, for today. All the links gonna be down in the description box. I hope I have somebody with this video. Thank you guys so much for being here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. All the best. I love you guys so much. I send you many kisses wherever you are in the world. I love you. Bye. Namaste. Blah 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 blah. I don't know what to say. Blah blah blah.